Hello, my name is Reverian Rutaisire, and I wanted to present myself using some multimedia, and also I have to use some tools on the Padlet wall on the website of Moodle for Teachers. First, first, I'm working for the University of Rwanda under the College of Medicine and Health Sciences, and I'm based in the Department of Medical Imaging Sciences, which is a department under the School of Health Sciences. So I'm going to use another tool, which is the name is vicar.com, and I will produce a voice, and I will post it on the Padlet wall for the Moodle for Teachers. Thank you very much, and see you.